gonna start. Oh, and just forgot. My name is Slippery. Woof. Woof. My name is Roofy. And I love to roof. Woof. I will play some fetch. I'm gonna go get my friends. So, next, he's going to get his friend. Roofy said for me to wait over here. I'm just going to wait. And then Woofy comes. Hey, where's my friend? Oh, I'm right here. Oh, there you are. I have one more friend. I'm just going to go. Okay, is it going to be for a little friend? Yes, it is. Hey, where is he? Oh, he's right here. Well, guys, I can't play today. Why not? I have to go to the party right now. Boy, sorry. Very sorry. Okay. This is Tiggy. Hi, Tiggy. How are you doing? I'm fine. And my name was always Roofy Guy. Roofy Bone. I love bones. I'm gonna go get some bones. I want the red bone. Okay, now let's all pick. And I'm gonna just take the white. Oh. I'm taking the red. Yeah, I want to go home for dinner. Yeah, me too. I'm just gonna eat apples in the trees. I'm going to eat some apples in the trees. And I'm gonna go get my brother's. I bet he loves apples. So now he's gonna get his brother for some apples up there. My name is Tiger. Oh, that's my brother. Look at the apples. You have this and I'll have this. And I'm the older. I do more. Well, it's the same because I'm 5. That. Oh, never mind. We're done. Let's go home. Yeah. I want to play by myself. And little brother went home, and after a few seconds, hey, is there anybody here? Hello? Hello? I'm right here. What are you doing? I want to be a friend. Sure. But what's your name? My name is Tail. Whack out! Whack out! Flake bite! Bye-bye! And it was not actually a cat. It was a ghost cat because it has 2 tails. Meow! And I love stopping trucks. Especially in the road. And that's how I died and turned to the ghost. 100 points. Meow. She went home and here comes a lovely something. And here it is. And this is my pet love. My name is Ducky Wacky. I can barely stay on this. I'm just gonna go back. Goodbye, everyone. I see ya. My name is Mr. Penguin. Cannot stand. And the bad thing, I don't have pants. Hey, it's Sunday. It's no pants day. And I have a good beak. Peck. What should I peck today? Peck. That turned into 1,000 pieces that I can't even count. I'm say, and goodbye. Ah, nice breeze. This is my camp. Woohoo! Wahoo! Woohoo! Wow! She went so far that she couldn't go back. And we only have one more puppet left. Homies one. My name is Wolfie from Japan. I love this place, especially the puppet show. I love to bite. Woof, woof. I want to go get some bones. Oh, yum, yum, yum. That was so yummy. I'm getting sleepy. I'm going home. And now the stars are up. Time for everybody to go to sleep. Hope you like this puppet show. See you on the next video.
Here is some of the tech crew cleaning up some of the mess. Right, Mimi?